Hey, guess what, man? Here's a lady. She's the amazing cook from YKL High School. But who's the fastest chef?
The man in the pan.
Oh yeah, let's get the man in the pan, Big Shaka. My friend over here, man, all over Honolulu. Come over here and work, man. Civil mechanical contractor. Very good job, but hey, who's the fastest chef?
The man with the pan.
Oh yeah, Big Shaka to the man with the pan. Awesome. Hey, guess what, man? I see my friends in Wyoming, and it's snowing over there, and maybe that's why Mauna Kea is snowing. Huh?
Sorry.
Hey, but who's the fastest chef?
The man in the pan.
Oh yeah, Big Shaka, the man in the pan. Awesome. Welcome to the man and the pan. Today I'm gonna do something super excited for you guys. You know, I'm gonna make one Kalua Taro Patty. Okay, the first thing I do is I get Kalua pig. And a lot of times, you know, you can get leftover Kalua pig, and a lot of people always have leftover Kalua pig. So instead of just making Kalua cabbage, you can make a Kalua patty, okay? Slice them all up, make it like thin slice. So you want them a little smaller, just like that. You put some cooked potatoes inside here to make the patty. You can add some round onions. You can add whatever you want, okay? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this frozen kalo, yeah? So I'll get the frozen kalo and I'll cut it up into pieces. This frozen kalo is so good. You just use it like how you would use on potato, yeah? Make sure that kalo is defrosted, right? And because it's already like pre-cooked. You can use it for, like, you know, a substitute for potato salad. You can use a substitute for all kinds of different stuff. Kind of like little frozen yet, so that's why it's a little hard, okay? Got the frozen kalo here and the Kalua pig. Mix it all up. You need something to bind it in here, so you crack an egg. Crack 2 eggs in here, not enough. Put in a little bit more salt in here. Dump in some pepper. Put in some garlic powder. Mix it all up. Then you add some oil. Medium heat. Okay, so when the pan is hot enough, right? Make some nice patties, just like this. Fry it up. Okay, the good thing is that, you know, because everything is all cooked, you don't really have to cook it that long, as long as you fry it really well. Put on the hash right here. And there you go. Look at that. It's Kalua Taro Patties. Man, this thing's gonna be really good. Especially, you can eat it with some great tasty lomi salmon. The lomi salmon I use, Ono Lomi Salmon. Look at that, right there. Right, that thing looks good. But let's see how it tastes. Mmm. So good. Man. This is a winner. Kalua pig, taro patties with lomi salmon. Oh, awesome. Great for Marimata. We'll see you next week on The Man and the Pan. Aloha.